budget friendly. See this guy over here, dry, bleached, damaged hair. Everybody loves money. You are sorted for this wedding season. Or should I make you guys wait? This crazy beach, different shade, my dear. So 2 more products to go. Don't worry, it's not blood. I just made an impulsive purchase. Like they had a Chotu collaboration and dialed Amazon. I just forgot what is his name. This is alcohol, Morphe glitter palettes, and the formula is very similar. Hello everyone, this is Shubhanki. Welcome back to my channel. As you have read in the title, today's video is going to be another Amazon haul. Now this haul is very random, and by that I mean that this haul not only contains makeup products, skincare products, but it also contains little bit of tech as well as few weird things that will save your life. Trust me on this, I've been using them, and few productive things that I've been inculcating very recently. So I'm going to talk about everything little by little in this video. So I have the whole basket over here. It's really heavy. Let's get started with today's video. Oh, one more thing. It's very needless to say at this point of the time because I keep on saying this in every video. All the products are very budget friendly. In fact, it ranges from as low as 80 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, 80 rupees. To somewhat 350, 400. I don't think any of the price charged 400. So you can understand it's very budget friendly, and most of the items are very essential. So yeah, without any further talking, as I always say, like, share, comment, subscribe, and get on with this video. I really don't know where to start, but since you can see this guy over here, let's pull out the elephant in the room and talk about it. Now 2021 is ending and it's kind of December, so everybody is shopping for planners and journal and even talking about resolutions. I even got some of the newsletters talking about resolutions. Everybody starts doing that from January, but I don't know what happened to me this year. I thought, why January? Why can't we start now? So it was like in the mid of November, I decided that for a long time I really wanted to start developing the habit of reading every morning. Apart from learning and gaining knowledge, it also helps in calming your mind and helps you take decisions, correct decisions at the right time. So it's like it sorts your brain, sorts your thinking patterns. So I thought, why January? Let's start now. So very randomly one day I went to Amazon and bought this book. So this is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So this is a very popular book. Another thing, I also learned somewhere that if you are starting to read and want to keep continuing that, if you hate reading, then start with reading books that you love, and then when you are like through with reading, the process of reading, then start with books that are boring. At least you think that they are boring. So I thought, let's just start with a topic that I really love. So I chose this book. This is all about personal finance and money and things like that. Yeah, adulting, I know. So it's a really good book. It's very interesting and very like everything has been explained in a layman's words. So I've not been facing any difficulty reading this book, though I don't have any finance or commerce background. I'm a science student. I like look forward to every morning. I just take my breakfast and my cup of tea, sit near a window and start reading. I don't measure how many pages I read. Like there is no compulsory rule to that. I sometimes read 10 pages, sometimes I read even 2 pages. So as long as I'm gaining something, learning something, it's well and good. And I'm really loving this habit that I've started inculcating. So it's over 21 days, but I intend to make it 90 days. Then I'm gonna confirm that, yeah, this is my lifestyle. Among this 1 month, I guess, I have been reading this. Among this span of time, I have not read for 2 days, and I literally felt so guilty for not reading those days. And yeah, so I've been really maintaining. I actually don't have to maintain. I look forward to it, as I said. Yeah, this is the best decision. And for 2022, I intend to read more books. Complete this book first, and then read more. I'm not a very fast reader though. I'm very slow reader. So I like to read a single sentence for more than if I like that sentence, I like to read it for more than 2 to 3 times and then think about it a little bit. Like this also makes me think a lot about what have I done, what are the mistakes that I made regarding finance. This is a really good book. I highly recommend this to you guys. If you are also like me thinking about starting to read, start with this one. If you like money, I think everybody loves money. So this is a really good book. Okay, so that is gone. Now I'm gonna quickly jump on to makeup, which is obviously the biggest part of this haul. But before that, I have tiny 2 skincare products that I just quickly want to get over. Hair care and skincare. So the first one is this one. I recently got black seed oil from Safa, and it has been working wonders on my dry, bleached, damaged hair. The ends are really moisturized. They are not frizzy at all. I am loving this oil and it smells so good. I have even made a hair care routine about this oil, so just go and check it out if you want the whole process. Now the next one, I stocked up on my sunscreen. So this is my go-to sunscreen and I've talked about it for like zillion times on my videos, on my channel. It's like everywhere. So the sunscreen that I'm talking about is this one. This is Blessing Tree sunscreen lotion. I never skip on sunscreen. I apply it after every 2 hours till sunset. And also some of you guys I know thinks that it's like okay to not put sunscreen in winter because like sun is where is the sun, where is the heat? But like sun is there always. You can't see it probably. You just need sunscreen every freaking time. I don't go out and I still put sunscreen. In fact, I wear sunscreen with the blinds off. There's been time it's totally dark in my room, but I'm still reapplying sunscreen. So just don't give up on your sunscreen. You need this. So yeah, let's jump on to makeup. But I have two very interesting products which I'm gonna keep it for the last. And yeah, let's dive on to makeup. Okay, so the first thing that I have for you guys in this haul is this one. So this is Insight's eyeshadow palette. They call it Pro eyeshadow palette. This one is such a gorgeous palette. It has got all the shimmer shadows in it. I mean, just look at the colors. They are so pigmented. I have swatched each of the shades in my Insight try on haul video. Go check it out. Like, you are never gonna get disappointed. This is, I think, my favorite shimmer eyeshadow palette till date, and I'm just crushing on this. In fact, I have some Morphe glitter palettes and the formula is very similar. So it's like Insight is upping their game. And also one more thing, it's very weird that this palette, I mean, look at this. It says Insight Pro eyeshadow palette, so it's from Insight, but it's very weird that I have not found this palette anywhere on their actual website, but I found this on Amazon. Like, I don't know what is wrong. I want you guys to do one thing. If you have found this palette on their website, just send me a screenshot. Just you don't have to do anything, just comment down telling that yeah, you found it on their website, because like it's freaking me out that this palette is nowhere on their website, but it is on Amazon and it had the Insight name on it. I don't know what's wrong, because it's pretty much the name, the same trademark and everything, but the quality is so good. So that is why I had to believe that this is from Insight. If the quality was shitty, I could have given a second thought that this could be something else, this is a fake something, but it's not. It's a really good quality palette. If you're looking for a good shimmer eyeshadow, foil eyeshadow, look no further. It has cool tones as well as warm tones. It doesn't have crazy green blue shimmers, so it's very wearable shimmers. If you have this palette, you are sorted for this wedding season, I'm telling you guys. I actually did not notice that I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes today in this haul. Small eyeshadow, because you know me, I love small eyeshadow palettes. I have actually three more, apart from the Insight one that I showed you just now. So should I just go with the eyeshadow palettes, or should I make you guys wait? I'll make you guys wait. Don't worry, it's not gonna be long. I'm gonna just quickly cover the rest of the makeup and go back to the eyeshadow. So the next product is from Insight again. Insight is basically killing the game. So it's a liquid foundation. It's called Stay Matte Foundation. I have like raved about the Ultra Skin Second Skin Foundation. Now this is my favorite as well. So I have even compared this with the Ultra Skin Foundation, and I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video if you want to buy any one of them. It's like very educational for me as well when I was filming that video. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk any further. I'll just leave you guys with that information. Okay, so the next product is from Maybelline. Now everybody knows about Fit Me. It's literally the most popular thing or basic thing that everybody owns. But guess what? This crazy bitch has never tried a Fit Me product. So I got myself a Fit Me Compact. However, this has got a twist. So this Fit Me is not of my shade. Rather, I got myself a very why doesn't it come out? Okay, I got myself a very dark shade, and the shade is where is the shade written? Okay, so the shade is Toffee, so it's very dark. So this is the shade. Yeah, I am hoping to use this one as bronzer because it has a warm shade. I wanted to get like very affordable bronzer because I am like currently into bronzers and shit. Yeah, I get obsessed with bronzers in winter, not in summer. Like, I am that crazy person. So I'm such a moody bitch, I don't know why. Anyway, so by the way, if you are like below 18, please don't curse. I should be responsible. Yeah, please be responsible. I don't want to inspire any of you guys. Like, anyway, so this is a bronzer shade. I have not yet used this one. I am intending to make a review video So just wait for it. You know what, I hope this is pigmented, because what happens with powder is like powder is less pigmented than bronzer. So if you want a powder to work like a bronzer, you have to apply more. So I don't know how will it apply, how will it work, so you guys have to wait. So the next product is a lipstick. I know I don't like lipsticks, I know that, but this is a different shade, my dear. So this is a brown shade, and at least when I was buying it was a brown shade. I mean, the packaging was like a brown shade. The color is this, which is a little bit lighter, but I can make it work. This one is from Insight again. The shade is A2 Nude Coffee, but however I'm a little bit disappointed though. Zoop, I don't want to talk more about this because I literally have made a full video on this. 2 more products to go for the eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so the next product is a powder again. So I was recently trying out few new products from Mars, because that brand keeps on launching new products and it's very hard for me to keep up with that brand. So I got myself Mars banana powder, and I have been using this. I have applied this today as well. I have formed few opinions, so I'm gonna make a detailed video about this. I am planning to make a comparison video of this with the Insight banana powder, so let me know if you guys want one, though I'll probably make even if you don't say it. Yeah, so this is Mars banana powder. I got the shade banana. They had 2 more shades as well. Now the next product is a very interesting product. So I was talking about this one. Okay, spare me. So this is very cheap. I got myself Dazzler foundation stick, and also there is a twist to this foundation stick. I got myself a foundation shade which is much darker, and it's like this shade. Let me just show you guys. Okay, this is eyeshadow, by the way. Don't worry, it's not blood. I didn't kill anybody. So this is the shade, and I've been wearing this contour shade, by the way, very little though. Oh, okay, so the shade name is Contour itself. How intelligent. Yeah, I just wanted to try out a contour stick which is very affordable, obviously because I'm planning to make few content around them. Anyway, so yeah, great product, but if you are interested to know more how it applies, keep waiting. Let's talk about eyeshadow palettes, because it's finally the time. So the first, rather second after the Insight shimmer eyeshadow palette. So the second eyeshadow palette of this haul is this one, and it's called Rosy Nude Tan eyeshadow palette from SFR Color. So by the way, I was not intending to buy any nude shadow, because literally I have so many eyeshadow palettes like lying there, but this packaging, it like made me buy it. I just made an impulsive purchase with this eyeshadow palette, because look at the packaging, look at the color theory, color position, the placement. The first impression of the packaging is so good that I had to buy it. So the color looks like this, and I did have, as you guys can see, there is a little bit thumb impression. I did have swatched the 2 shimmer shadows, but I have not yet applied or swatched all the matte shadows. So yeah, I know it's not believable, but yeah, it's true. Although if this works out, it is going to be a really good palette at such crazy affordable range, and I don't know if this one is good. I may include this. I'm not saying I may include this in my best eyeshadow palette video. I'm not saying though. I have to still apply this on my eyes and figure out. This is pretty cute, I would say. The packaging, I really like the packaging. For packaging, 10 on 10. But for the formula, I don't know. I am going to make a review video, obviously, of all the new products. Keep on waiting. Now the next 2 eyeshadow palettes, like I have a full-on story with these 2 eyeshadow palettes. So the next 2 eyeshadow palettes I'm going to introduce together, because they are not even sisters. They are freaking twins, because they are freaking same eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, this is the Popexo and My Glam palette. Like they had a Chotu collaboration and they came up with few products. After looking at all those products, I figured out this is the only thing that I would want to have. Yeah, if you like all the products, like just don't get offended. I don't know, it was not visually appealing to me. I was only interested in this palette. Let me just skip this back. Anyway, so I'm talking about this eyeshadow palette. It's called Hot Mess. So it retailed for like $225. By the way, I did pay for one of them and I have 2 of them. That's because of this freaking reason. Yeah, it came totally shattered, this eyeshadow. Just a quick backstory that if any product, like anything comes broken or like a little bit somewhat not up to the mark, I am okay with it. But I am not going to compromise on any makeup products. I don't know, I just love makeup products and I don't want to compromise on anything, any aspect. So when I got this palette, the moment I got it, I opened it because I know for a fact that Amazon do deliver broken eyeshadow palettes. So I was like, I know that. So the moment I get any eyeshadow palettes, I quickly open it. And when I opened it, I was like crossing my fingers and then I opened it, boom, it's a shattered palette. So immediately I put on my Savage Queen face and dialed Amazon and described how worried I am about me getting a shattered palette, and then they fixed the problem. So basically, they just gave me another palette without even charging me and said that you can keep the old palette. So yeah, the palette looks like this now, and I just wanted to test out their yellow shade, though I have not even swatched this palette. Quite a lot of products that I haven't reviewed, but I'm just revealing that I have those products. So I want you guys to come back when I do make a review video of any of these products. Like, you have to come back. If this works out, I'm planning to buy their blush, contour, and that palette, that big palette. I'm planning to buy that. So if this works out, I haven't tested the quality yet. If you are like interested or planning to buy any of the products that I haven't yet reviewed, just keep an eye out. I'm gonna review, like, I'm gonna upload tak very fast. Just keep an eye out, like, be like this on my channel. So we are down to the last two products. It's very random, but it's very essential for me at least. So I got myself a Boat earphone. The color that I chose for myself this time is pink, because I have never had a pink earphone. I always had black, and sometimes I had white. When I saw pink was another option, so I had to buy one. I had to try new colors out. So this is the Boat plug into Nirvana. Okay, I didn't know that was their tagline. Anyway, yeah, this is the famous, hold on, I just forgot what is his name, the actor who is in Pyar Ka Panchnama. I just forgot. I'm just blank right now. I really love that song, Bomb Diggy Diggy, but I don't remember the name of this actor. Anyway, I got the earphone, not his face, but I did forget his name. Anyway, I have been listening to this for like 15 days now, and it's really good. I don't know for you guys, but I have a record of damaging every new earphone after a month of using it. Like, I can go till 40 days at max. So I was like so fed up. I heard that Boat is somewhat a good brand, and even I have the Boat Infinity speaker, which has been working really good for me. So I thought I could trust this brand. That's why I bought this earphone, but I don't know how long it will last. But I did name her Candy. So I hope Miss Candy stays in my family. Another good thing that I do appreciate Boat for is that they gave me extra earpieces, like this thing. You can change this and put it. Okay, we are down to the last product that I was like literally waiting to tell you guys from the beginning. So this one, yeah, this is water bottle. Just kidding. This is alcohol. Yeah, not that type of alcohol that you started thinking the moment I uttered that word. So this is isopropyl alcohol. It's 99.9% pure. I got this one because I saw in one of Instagram reels, which was like, originally it's a TikTok video obviously. So I saw that if you wash your brush, like if you dip in isopropyl alcohol, it literally takes few seconds to take off the makeup products like eyeshadows or foundation, anything that was like stuck or was sitting on the brush. And I was like really got intrigued after watching that video. I face a lot of problem on an everyday basis while creating looks, because let's be honest, we don't wash our brushes for like more than once every month. I at least don't wash it more than once every month. However, I create content, though not every day, but like every alternate day. I literally had to struggle to find out which brush is clean and which is not. So if I have this bottle, I can clean brushes whenever I want in like few seconds. So I had to get one, and let me tell you, I did use this one twice. I did love it. I just really loved it, how easy this makes the whole process. However, let me tell you one thing, this is not a replacement for washing your brushes with water or soap, whatever you do. If it was, girl, it's very expensive. Okay, this bottle costed me for like 199, so it's 200. If I had to wash all my brushes with this, it is going to be really expensive, but it did ease out your whole 10-step washing process. You don't have to struggle every now and then and literally hunt for clean brushes to do your eye look. So talking about eye looks, by the way, I did not even literally talk about my eye look today. I just love it. This is so pretty. I so love it. Yeah, that's it for this haul. I'm done with all the products. So you're finally at the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, all the products will be linked in the description box below. So if you want to check any of the products out, go to the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to meet in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.